Okay, this next application is from Rohai Kata, and it uses a very similar locking movement that we've seen in the previous application. But the main difference I want to kind of point out is that the embusen. Whereas in Wanshu Kata, the embusen was 90 degrees, then we pull back on ourselves. In Rohai Kata, we're turning 180 degrees, arms are coming across like this, and then they pull back to the hip slowly. Alright? So we're going to work from exactly the same start position. Stu's going to push forward, I'm going to slip from here and strike. Okay? Now, whereas in Wanshu I turned at 90, on this one I'm going to pull back and slip to the behind my opponent from here. So that's the 180 pivot. Alright? I'm going to slide this free hand now up along the side of his neck, and then I'm going to pull back. Okay? So that's this movement here in the form. Okay? Then the kata says, pull the arms back slow. Okay? So usually when you see slow movements like that in the form, it kind of signifies that it's like a grappling movement where you've kind of got hold of something and you're trying to torque, twist or pull. Okay? So here, one more time, he presses forward, slip and strike. Okay? There's my 180 degree turn. Lock this arm off. This one slides up, this position. Okay? So as I pull these arms back, this one here, I've got a few options. The first one is I can use my knuckles to dig into the side of the jaw as I pull back. All right. I can use my forearm kind of like a blade of a knife and cut sort of into his neck from there. Or I can slip onto the side of his jaw and twist the head. All right. On the other side, I've got a hammer lock. All right. And what I'm doing here is I'm trying to pivot the forearm. So I'm going to put a lot of pressure on the shoulder, but at the same time I'm trying to pull the hand back to hikite. All right. So I've got this dual action, these two angles that are going on. So it's quite hard to resist. All right. So I'm doing that here at the same time as I'm pulling back onto the neck. Okay. So again, it's quite painful. So one more time. So you press it from here, I'm going to cross, scoot, get round to the back of my opponent, slide this up and choke from here, and then pull back. Utilising any of those options we discussed earlier.